everybody, my name is Mahi and this is my first art video for kids. So, can you guess what we will be making today? Okay, let me show you. It's a cupcake liner bird. Before we get started, let me tell you everything we are going to need, okay? Some googly eyes, some paper beaks that I cut out, and cupcake liners, glue, and paper. You like cupcakes? I love cupcakes. My mom makes them. So, to make a bird, you're going to need to first straighten the cupcake liner and then fold it in half. First, straighten the cupcake liner, then fold it in half. So we have straightened and folded all our cupcake liners. Now it's time for our glue. So first we need to stick these. We need to put some glue in between the both of the sides, and then stick it together. Okay, now that we have glued them together, it's time to glue them on our sheet of paper. Glue. We're going to take one cupcake liner, put glue, just a dot, not a lot. Okay. And then we're going to stick it down. Now let's go ahead and do that to all our birds. Okay, now it's time to put on our eyes. So, we're going to take an eye, put some glue. I mean, you don't have to use some googly eyes. You can just take a piece of paper and draw a black dot in the middle. And then we're going to stick it down. Now it's time to put on our beaks. I took paper cutouts. You can also draw a beak or you can do paper cutouts. Your choice. Now we just have our feet left to go. So I'm going to get a black marker and draw the feet. Do line, and then you want to do that and that. Our birds are done. Don't they look cute? You can hang these up in your room. And look, there's a mommy bird, daddy bird, sister bird, and brother bird. I hope you like making birds. Bye.